Planning a day of sightseeing in Helsinki, but don't want to carry your luggage around? Radical Storage provides a simple and secure way to store your bags, so you can freely enjoy the city. This guide explains how to deposit your luggage at a luggage storage point in Helsinki using RadicalStorage, a trusted platform offering secure and insured storage solutions. RadicalStorage partners with local businesses such as hotels, cafes, and shops, ensuring your bags are safe while you explore Helsinki. Be cautious of unofficial sites when searching for luggage storage online. To stay safe, use the secure link provided in this guide to access the official RadicalStorage website. Once on the website, finding a luggage storage point in Helsinki is easy. Enter Helsinki into the search bar to view a list of available storage locations across the city. You can choose a convenient spot near tourist areas, transportation hubs, or downtown Helsinki. Select the most suitable drop-off and pick-up times, then proceed to payment. RadicalStorage ensures your online transaction is safe, so you can book worry-free. After confirming your booking, you'll receive a reference number and detailed instructions to find the luggage storage point. When you arrive at your chosen location, show the reference number to the staff, and they will securely store your luggage. That's it. Now you can explore Helsinki with peace of mind, knowing your belongings are safely stored. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.